To create AI videos in seconds, start by visiting the official Vadoo AI website and logging in with your email and password or Google account. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up and follow the prompts to create one. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Projects section and click on AI Video. Then select Generate Video from Text. This will allow you to transform your ideas into stunning videos using the AI generator. You can browse through examples or start from scratch by typing in your desired text. For example, you could type, "Someone cutting potatoes in the kitchen." Before generating the video, you can set the duration, aspect ratio, and resolution, and even add AI effects such as hugs, baby animals, or miniature scenes. You can also select a generator to use, considering the credits it will take from your account and the time it will take to process. Additionally, you can upload an image or generate one using the AI image library. Once you've customized your settings, click Generate and your video will be created. To get started with Vadoo AI, you can join their Discord to earn free credits or purchase a plan to access more credits and generate videos monthly. With these simple steps, you can create AI videos in seconds and bring your ideas to life.